Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover your Snapchat streaks. It's pretty quick and easy. So first of all, just open the Snapchat application. Snapchat sometimes has bugs or you miss that kind of deadline to snap somebody within 24 hours and you miss that streak or that streak goes away. But there is a way to recover this streak if you want to get it back, and I will show you how to do that. So I'm on my Snapchat. I will tap on my profile icon in the top left here, and then in the settings at the top right, and then if I scroll down here, it says I need help under support. So I will tap on that, and then at the very top I'm just going to type in snap streak. So you can just type in and it will bring you right to the snap streaks page. If you go very scroll down to the bottom, right under this question, it says if you feel it, if where there was an error, please let us know. It says, but if my Snapchat streaks has gone away, but I know that I've sent a snap not chat back and forth within the last 24 hours. So it says if that was an error, let us know. You tap on that, and then again you will just find that my snap streaks disappeared, and then it will pop up with a little form that you can fill up. So this form, it auto populates your username, your email. You want to include your phone number, that device that you are using, your friend's username that you lost the Snapchat, that Snapchat streak with, that you want to recover. When did you start having this issue? How long was your snap streak before it expired? Did you see the little hourglass icon? You can choose yes of course there, or no if you didn't, and then you can go to what information should we know. So this is where you want to kind of be specific as possible. Let them know to the kind of closest amount what you thought your snap streak was before you lost it, and then going through all these steps in a day or two, they will get back to you and they will recover the snap streak. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.